also happy to introduce a little bit about myself. My name is Tham. I'm 21 years old and I come from Vietnam, a beautiful country. I live with my family in a peaceful town. I have one younger brother and we often play fun together. I like traveling, hanging out with friends, taking photos, and playing with dolls. I also love cooking and I can't wait to get there to cook delicious dishes for you. I could describe myself as responsible, honest, hardworking, and very dedicated.
My name is Dr. William Salazar, and I'm an instructor of English here in Pedagogical University number 2, that is 35 kilometers away from Hanoi in Xuân Hoa, Vietnam. And I'm speaking on behalf of Lao Vu, an excellent student who I really admire and I've gotten to know really well in the last 2 years that I've been teaching here. She's responsible, she's mature, she's a quick learner. No, she's an intelligent person and she has a great command of English. But most importantly, I think she will benefit, and the family who will pick her for this program will benefit from choosing her. She likes kids, she gets along well with her peers, and I can't think of anything else to say except that she is just a wonderful person.
Talking about the reason why I want to become an Aupair in the US. First of all, I love spending time with children, playing and having fun with them. I'm sure that it will be an incredible experience for me. Moreover, I can improve my English, explore new culture, meet friends, and do something that I love to do. I hope to be a part of your family so I could support you in everyday life. I truly love children. When they smile, they can change my day. I have experience with children from 3 to 10 years old. I often take care of my cousins. I have responsible for feeding, playing, bathing, and putting them to sleep. I always try my best and pay attention so kids are safe around me. Currently, I work as a part-time English teacher. I teach children basic English and hold some activities like playing games, dancing, drawing, and sometimes singing. It's such a great moment in my life. I want to give children all my love.
Go for the summer when I'm lying. Boy, got your body on my mind. You make my heart beat faster. I'll be a sweet disaster. Deep in my body, I want your love. Take off your clothes, clothes. I want your love.
Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you like it. If you want to know more about me, you can message me or we can Skype. I'm looking forward to hearing from you soon. Bye bye!